Draw other shapes and text. Here we go. We're going to copy this code to make this picture. We'll go ahead and paste it here. We'll run it, and sure enough, we got that picture. Let's walk you through it. So to begin with, we have this oval, which is yellow, and creating an oval is the same as creating a rectangle. I will show you by actually creating the rectangle. I copy pasted the code, and I'll make the rectangle black, and you'll notice a black rectangle exactly behind that yellow oval, because the way create oval works, it takes the same left top, right bottom, and it fills the oval that fills just inside that bounding rectangle. Okay, that's ovals. Polygons are, see this green polygon here? The way you specify them is just a series of points. 100, 30 is that point there. Then 200, 50 is that point there. Then 300, 30 is that point there. And 200, 10 is that one there. You don't have to specify the starting point again. Tkinter will simply close it for you. Lines are pretty straightforward. You just do the two endpoints, and you can have widths on your lines. Text is a little more complicated. For this reason, you specify a location. For example, for amazing, this is the point 200, 100 is right in the middle there. And the text amazing is centered on that point. And the font is a little goofy the way they specify it, but you'll get used to it. Family name, size, and then if you want to have bold or underline. Tkinter is very picky that you do it exactly in this order, so do it exactly in this order. So there's nothing confusing about amazing, but carpe diem might be confusing for the reason that it's drawn at the exact same location, 200, 100, but it clear as day is not centered on 200, 100. The deal is this anchor, and you have to understand how anchors work. So anchors, you basically specify where this point is on the box around this text. So imagine right now I have a box around this text, and in the southwest corner, so starting from here where the arrow is, I go south and I go west. So this bottom left corner, that's what I'm specifying here, which is why that point right there is the southwest corner of this text. If I were to make it say the southeast corner, then sure enough it's in the bottom right. If I made it the northeast corner, it'd be in the top right. And if I just make it say straight north, it's the centered north. And if I make it straight south, it's the centered south. And straight west is the centered west, and so on. So be sure you play around with and understand how the anchor works. That's probably the only thing that's potentially confusing in this example.